Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Then after that you click on this search button, then enter the model number Z790 AERO G and then hit enter. Then click on product Z790 AERO G, just click on it. Then click on support. Download, select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, same operating system installations process same. So audio driver, SD audio driver. So guys, first download one by one, after that I show you how to install. So SD audio, this is download icon, just click on it. Slow down. Chipset, slow down. First important, this is serial driver, so same, just click to download. Then this is required for it, HID, and download. An INF installer is also required for download. LAN driver, Intel LAN driver, and this is download icon, to click on it. LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, same all. VGA graphic display driver, same, so click on download. Then WLAN and BT means, WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver and BT means Bluetooth driver. So this is download icons and same down Wi-Fi. So you can see this is just, you can see here it is downloading. You just click on this icons which is completed. Then where it is downloading, you can move out and wait for complete. Then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, Just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open, double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. And no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.